Hi, I'm Wendy Gardiner. I'm here to do a very quick demo of the Kaffe Fassett design wall. Now, this is a really lovely thing to have if you are looking to put combinations, colour combinations together, etc. And you just want to have a look before you pin everything out and start sewing. All it is, actually, is a piece of cloth. But it's like, now do you remember fuzzy felt toys? So the surface is plush, and it means that you can stick fabrics to it without using any glue because of the plushness of the fabric. Think billiard ball tables. So all you can do, very simple. Now this is not a proper quilt or anything, this is just fabric samples for demonstration purposes. But what I can do is I can just position them on and just press them. Now it has got a grid, as you can see, so let's kind of use that a bit. It's got a 2-inch grid. So it's a 2-inch grid. So I can put my fabric pieces together. So what I'm looking for is, do I like this colour combination? Or would I like to move something around? So it's all about sort of putting colours and then deciding, yes, that works, or no, it doesn't. So I might take that one off and put that one on. So you can do this to check out your colour combinations, and the best thing about it is because they sort of stick there, you can step right back and then you can look from a distance, because often the best way of looking is from a distance. You might decide that what you want to do is work out how a pattern's going to go. See how easy it is to put them on and remove them. So for instance, let's just use this little sample here. So I'm just going to put that on. Now I might think what I want to do is have lines going down. Or let's try the other way. Or let's try like that. So you've got all of these options, so you can actually sort of design a pattern. As I say, these are very small pieces. Now, I would say this is, all you need to do is just push them and just smooth them on and they stick in place. However, if you're working with lots and lots of bits of fabric and you're going to lay it on there and then you're going to walk away or open a window or leave it overnight, I would use a few pins every now and then. That's personal. You don't need to use pins, but I'm just thinking, you know, if you've walked away and you've left it and you come back the next day and the wind has blown or the draft has got to you and half of it's fallen off. So design wall when you're using it, brilliant. If you're going to leave the design in place, a couple of strategically placed pins will help. Now, you can leave it up. If you have the room to leave this up all the time, brilliant, lucky you. You can then maybe put it on a piece of battening so that you can keep it flush against the wall. If you can't, if you have to put it away, easy to fold up, it's a piece of fabric, just fold it up, put it away, get it out again. And we've just pinned it to a curtain rail. And then just to help hold it taut, we've just used good old bulldog clips on the bottom, just to add a bit of weight to hold it down. That's just a quick tip on how to position it. And that's it. That's as easy as it is to use and such a useful thing to have.